don't have any idea what you're talking about, so.
Get that fucking... You just took it on camera.
I'm just gonna tell him to get the fuck out of here.
This nigga put his hand out, yo. What the fuck?
I don't even know what happened.
Oh, fuck!
Don't touch my phone.
Don't you fucking dare! I'm calling the cops!
What the
Calling
fuck?
the cops on that person!
What the fuck, yo? Crazy fucker.
Okay.
Yeah. I put that down the street.
Yo. Oh, I'm at Chick-fil-A. It's a Porsche. But it's a piece of shit with this psycho. I didn't record. I was having outbursts in the parking lot. And she can vouch for that. Do it! This nigga fucking sucks. Thought he was about to... Dude, he did all that fucking revving in front of the house for like nothing. Like just to do all that. Like what the fuck? Like what was all that revving for? He was like revving for like a good minute, almost 2. Like what the fuck is all that for? Like what's the purpose of that if you're not gonna do something? Damn, cause I heard all this rumbling and shit, and that's his ass. I don't mind it, but if you're gonna do all that revving, at least make it exciting when you pull off. Like what really, bruh? I'm at the car meet again. Yo, why the fuck is everyone fucking in packs again? Yo, this shit is the worst, bruh. Like what the fuck? But like, I think I'm like the only car that's not fucking fixed up here and shit. But hold on, I'm about to show y'all some shit. That's dude right there with his car. He just fucking walked off, but I'm about to go talk to him real quick. I feel like I'm parked in like the wrong spot or something because like I'm parked with like the fucking souped up cars and shit. Alright? And like everybody's looking at me like weird, so I'm not sure if I should park like to like the left or something or like somewhere else because I'm just fucking lost as shit. I'm here even though my niggas flaked on me. But this is the motherfucker I wanted to see. That car. Like everybody and their mama want to see that shit. Yo, I try to keep this page positive, but like, people are fucking ignorant. I'm gonna speak on this shit. This motherfucker, I don't know if you can see it, but this fucking big ass truck right here. And this truck right here, like, if you know you can't fit a fucking space without hitting somebody's car, like, why the fuck would you do that? Why would the fuck you fucking block in a fucking car like that? Like, people are so fucking ignorant, dude. For no fucking reason. Yo, so, this shit about to fall. But I left the car meet because I almost got into 2 fights. Okay, first off, the video that I showed you, like, alright, I'm trying to word this a certain way. But you know what, fuck it, if it comes out wrong, it comes out wrong, okay? The 2 trucks that I saw you, right? The dude to the left, he just parked and took up 2 spaces. The other car, he almost hit me twice. One backing up. I'm sitting there beeping at the dude because he's within inches of my fucking bumper. And like, I don't know if he thinks he was the shit or what have you because he had police tags or what have you. And he looked too young to be an officer. But like, you never know nowadays. But then when he was coming out, no, fuck that. He almost hit me 3 times. One, he was backing up the first time. And then the second time he was backing up, I had to beep at him again. And then, like, the fucking third time when he was fucking getting out his car, he had to fix it again. Like, dude, why would you fucking park your big ass fucking truck right next to a fucking car where you can barely fit? And it's somebody else said the same fucking thing, so I know it's not me. I know it's not me. And then, like, so I'm on the phone. So I mean, at first, you know, as you saw, I got up and shit, but I didn't show you where I walked around and stuff because I was looking for the guy with the car. I don't know what he looked like in person because I never seen him in person. Always seen his car. He's always away from his car. But, you know, okay, let me do this shit, okay? Because if you don't want to listen to the story, but thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Thank you for subscribing. So this is just if you don't want to listen to the drama and shit, but anyway, like I said, he's always away from his car. So, like I said, I get up, get out my car, walk around and stuff. So I'm texting my homie, and I'm waiting for the other people to come that I met at the last car meet. You know, that was hella cool. And like, I kind of hated to like, this was fucked up. I kind of hated to like have them meet me in like a drama type situation. But I mean, we didn't meet. But anyway, so I'm waiting for them. After I get back in the car from walking around and chilling and stuff, waiting for them, and that's when the assholes came. So after a while, you know, I'm on the phone, I'm looking up, making sure to see if I see them or not. So the phone is like right here, and the stupid bitch, I guess she's behind the phone. I didn't even realize it. But she said, like, now normally I'm not this calm. I would have said something or done something. I don't know what the fuck. Why I didn't react. I'm not sure why. Because I didn't care if that bitch was with people. I didn't fucking care. Like, I had a fucking knife on me, I had a fucking bat, and I had some other shit on me. I'm not going to say what the fuck I had on me. But shit could have ended real bad if I was another person. If I had a different mind frame. But, so like I said, I'm on the phone, texting and talking to my friend. And waiting for the other 2 people to come. So this dumb bitch, she said something. Why is she looking at me, or why something? And she said something else stupid and ignorant. This little fucking bitch. Like, I started to say something, but I don't know why I chilled the fuck out. Cause normally I don't fucking chill the fuck out. I don't know why, but that was fucking weird. Cause I was just dealing with a lot of shit anyway. And then, like, hold up, I forgot to tell you. Then this fat ass friend, like, leaning on my fucking car. So I'm sitting there like, hey, like, why are you leaning on my fucking car, dude? And then, like, so I had to input that shit. I'm sorry, it's all over the place. Like, I'm flustered as shit, as you can tell. But yeah. So like, after she's saying her stupid shit, her friends like come back and shit too, like still leaning on the front of my car. So I'm like, are you fucking serious? And I couldn't move because I couldn't fucking see shit with these big ass trucks. So I was waiting for all the fucking traffic to fucking die down. Because these niggas can't drive. They fucking revving, they going gas pedal happy and shit. And then so like, I told the dude with the Acura, and I told the other guy with the other Honda, that, you know, I'm just gonna leave. It's like, it's just too much drama if I end up getting into a fight. So I leave out. I told the dude with the Acura I'm gonna try to see him in person at least, but I didn't, because it was just like when I was driving around, like motherfuckers in the middle of the fucking path, like where you walk. Okay, the parking spaces right here, and then the little drive area. Motherfuckers in the middle of the fucking thing and shit. So I'm slowing down. I'm like not getting close to motherfuckers. And this dude, he's sitting in the middle of the fucking drive path and shit. Telling me, watch where you going. I'm like, bitch, you the one that's fucking walking, taking your sweet ass time, sitting first off, before all that, sitting in the middle of the fucking road, drive path, when people was trying to move. Telling me, watch where the fuck you going. I just looked at him like he's fucking retarded. Like, other than that, that's really what happened. It's like Smurf and WRX said, like, it always seems like it always, I don't know if and I didn't say shit to nobody. Like, that's the fucking, before all that shit, I didn't say shit to nobody. I was just sitting there chilling, relaxing, minding my business until that stupid motherfucker almost hit me with the fucking big ass truck. And like, if you want to know what the fuck DMV meter was, it was Wolfpack DMV and shit. They on Instagram. Check them out. Because if it would have been another person, like, shit could have fucking ended badly. And it was police there, but regardless, some people don't care if it's a fucking cop. But shit could have ended really fucking bad. I don't understand, like, how people can be so fucking ignorant, dude. Like, sorry I'm ranting. You know, I know I said I was going to try to do positive vlogs. You can't have positive vlogs when people like this, especially when you try to go out and do things with people. But, yeah, man, I'm about to fucking have my couple drinks, drink my Smirnoff, maybe smoke. I highly doubt I'm gonna smoke. But, yeah, man, people are just fucking ignorant, dude. Like, what the fuck? But, yeah. Y'all, peace. Thank you for subscribing, man. Have a great day. Sorry about the negativity, but, yeah, I'm out.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.